What's up, you guys? I'm back with another vlog. Your girl is trying. We are trying to get out these weekly vlogs as I said I was going to do. So the kids are actually not here. They are at their dad's, so I do have a little bit of free time, whatever that means. Typically when they're not here, I do a lot of the cleaning that I can't really do when they are here. Laundry and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I was gonna do my makeup. As I said, I do have to go to the optometrist for 1:45. Right now it's like 1:30, but it's like a 10-minute walk. But I do have to go there. But at first I was like, you know what, maybe I should do my makeup with you guys. But I do have a makeup video that I'm going to be filming later today, so it's like there's not really a point of doing my makeup if I'm just gonna wash that off and redo it anyways. But I am gonna be filming more makeup videos for you guys as well, so stay tuned to that. But yeah, you guys, just follow me on my day. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and do some laundry, clean out my house and whatnot. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Girl, it is so hot out here. I did not realize that it was gonna be this hot. This is the fit. I just wore like a really cute summer dress. It is windy, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start walking over there. I feel like this is like the first real summer day. But yeah, I'm excited to finally get a new prescription because my eyes have been bothering me, especially with like filming all the time. I mean, editing all the time. Like I'm always looking at a screen, and I think that's what's giving me more migraines. So yeah, I really want to like get some new trendy cute glasses as well. So yeah, I can't wait to get my new prescription. I feel like honestly I'm not used to vlogging in public, so like the looks that I'm getting right now is kind of weird, but this is something that I want to get used to. My eyes are watering. This is something that I want to get used to, so I feel like, you know what, practice makes perfect, so I might as well just get used to it. Alright guys, so I am here. I just had to do some like pre-testing and stuff for my eyes, and yeah, I'm kind of running late, but the doctor's running late as per usual, so I'm just in the waiting room. But honestly, it is so hot outside. Like I am so happy that it's really hot. Like I think right now it's 30 degrees Celsius, but it feels like 33. It's really humid, but I'm loving it. I'm not complaining because I'd rather this than winter. So I'm just gonna wait here for the doctor to come, and yeah, then we're gonna head on home. Okay guys, so I just left the eyeglass place. They were so kind in there. It was really funny. The guy was like, he saw me with my vlogging camera and he's like, oh, do you have a YouTube channel? I was like, yeah. And he ended up subscribing to my YouTube and following me on Instagram, so that was really cute. Low-key, I think he was trying to holla at your girl, but it's all good. So I'm actually just heading back home now. I'm gonna show you guys like a full body pic of my outfit once like I get to like the car. Once I get to like the park or whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna head back home, do some laundry, and just get my day started. I have a lot of batch filming to do today. Probably gonna get something to eat. So yeah, you guys, I will be home very soon because, as I said, it's not very far from my house. So yeah, girl, this is like a whole arm workout vlogging. Just gonna keep on walking until we get home. I'm back home and ready to get something to eat. I feel like I am sweating. It is hot as a mother out there, you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna relax for a little bit. Then I'm going to probably just start cleaning up, and then I'm going to get to filming. So I will see you guys soon. I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit, and then I'll pick back up the camera when I am ready to probably do some laundry, and then film my makeup video. So see you guys soon. Alright, you guys, so I am doing a little bit of laundry. I ended up doing about 2 or 3 loads, I believe. So yeah, I'm just using my Tide laundry detergent and some Downy, and yeah, this is what I'm doing. This is usually what I'm doing on a Saturday. My weekends off are not really weekends off. I tend to do a lot of cleaning and stuff like that. But yeah, life of a single mom. Next, I'm just going to organize my makeup brushes that I previously washed the day before, and I like to just clump my brushes together. I put the ones that I basically put like my fluffy foundation blending brushes together, my fluffy eyeshadow blending brushes together, and I put like my flat concealer brushes together, and then my face brushes all go in one container as well. And if you guys are wondering, I actually got these makeup containers from Winners. So yeah, I'm just gonna organize these, and then I'm gonna do some more cleaning. So once I'm done putting my makeup brushes away, I do go ahead and use some Lysol just to clean down my containers, just clean up any excess makeup it has on it, and sanitize. Next, I'm just going to wipe our kitchen table down. We tend to do a lot of homework on here as well, so it does get pretty messy. So I'm just gonna wipe this down, and then I'm gonna go head back upstairs to put the laundry in the dryer. What's up, you guys? Your girl actually fell all the way asleep, so that's why I got my bonnet on and whatnot. But it's like 9:30 now, and I'm hella hungry, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and make myself some salmon because that's what I'm feeling like, and it's pretty easy to make. So I still have laundry to fold and everything. I knocked the F out. But I guess that's what I get for going to bed at 4:30 last night. So yeah, you guys, I am just going to take you guys along and show you guys how I make my salmon. So I got the salmon here. This is olive oil, sea salt, paprika, black pepper, and some thyme and lemon. So that's pretty much what I'm going to put on. I do put a little bit of garlic powder as well, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Really simple. So let's just go ahead and show you guys what I do. So I'm just going to cut this lemon in half, and I'm going to squeeze out the lemon juice all over the salmon. So that's what you guys see me doing here. And yeah, so just make sure that you don't get the seeds in. So just squeeze that all out. You can also use like the lemon juice in the bottle as well. I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil on the salmon as well, and this just helps, I find, so that it's not really dry. And next, I'm just going to add some black pepper. You don't need to add too much. And I'm gonna add my paprika, just sprinkle that on. I do add a little bit of sea salt, so I'm just gonna grind that in there. And lastly, I'm going to add a tiny bit of garlic powder, and then I'm gonna add my thyme and rub that all in there. So this is my food, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and start eating. My food's not complete unless I have hot sauce. That's just the Trini in me. So I'm just gonna pour some hot sauce over here. I didn't really feel for any salad dressing today, so I'm actually just gonna put some lemon on my salad and eat up. You ever not realize how hungry you are until you start eating? That's how I feel right now, and right now I don't have time to talk. I am just gonna demolish this food. This is just something really simple and easy for me to make. When my girls are gone, I don't really like to be honest, I don't like to have to cook. So simple recipes like this are something that are a go-to for me, especially because on the weekends when they're not here, I usually do a lot of batch content and I don't have a lot of time to just be cooking like that. So I just like to do these simple meals for me. It's something that I can heat up like for lunch the next day or whatever. So yeah, I really like these quick, simple recipes. I really needed that, and now I feel like I have energy to go do what I have to do, because I was feeling really lazy earlier and I really wasn't feeling like doing anything. But now I just have a little bit more energy to get some stuff done. So I think what I'm going to do is just fold some clothes while I watch some grades, excuse me, or some YouTube, and that's pretty much how I'm going to end off the night, you guys. So I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I basically, as I said, ended off the night just folding my clothes, watching Grey's Anatomy, and a bit of YouTube, and that was basically my Saturday. It was pretty low-key. I know it wasn't anything exciting, but as I said, I do want to continue giving you guys vlogs every Sunday, so that's what we're doing. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys do on your weekends, especially if you are a single mom. I'd love to hear. But thank you guys again for supporting me, and for now I am going to sign off and say toodles.